Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute, but I'm finally back. And today I'm going to show you guys how I got these curls with a wand. Stay tuned. So I already curled half of my head on live on my hair page. I'm actually going to link that down. We'll drop that down below. So yeah, go ahead and follow me. So I put my hair into a lot of different sections, and you see me breaking off sections into more sections into more sections, and that's because you want your sections to be fairly small so that your curls can be, you know, kind of tight. Even though I'm doing like a messy curly look, you still want it to be formed right. So to achieve these curls, you want to place the hair flat on the barrel and you want to curl away from your face. So for example, me, I will be curling the hair towards the closet behind me. And as you can see, I'm stretching the hair out as soon as I curl it so that it doesn't cool in that tight curl that it was just in. So by pulling it, what it's gonna do is gonna make it a little bit more loose, and it will cool kind of stretched out. And that's the look that we're going for. So let me give you a quick rundown on this hair. This is hair from my hair company, EUnits Extended. And this is 2 bundles and 1 frontal of Bode Wave hair. I made it into a wig some time ago, and I just straightened it like a week ago, and I was just wearing it like this. Like, this isn't freshly washed or anything. This is old hair, and it's still this silky, it's still this bouncy, it's still this shiny, and I'm not even using, I should be using heat protectant, but I didn't. I know, I'm ashamed of myself too, but I just could not be bothered. I was just ready to get my hair done for this stupid ass don't rush challenge, but you know, we came out cute. Oh, bless me. So yeah, get in tune with this EUnits Extended hair. It is bomb.com. I promise you I will not lie. Oh yeah, and what's in my head right now is a glueless frontal. It is not glued down with lace glue. It is only placed down with an elastic band and got to be glue free spray. But I did not free spray the sides. I only free sprayed the front part that you can see. Pay really close attention to how I'm curling the hair on the wand barrel. It's important to keep it flat, otherwise you won't get that same curl effect. And also pay attention to how I'm not starting the curl directly from its roots. I'm kind of like going down maybe like a ½ an inch or like an inch from the root. Yeah, when I tell you my arms were gonna fall off of my body, I kid you not. Hold on, we need to see that again. Yes, look at that. Look at that. No serum, no anything. Just EUnits Extended hair. Go and shop now. Go and shop. You might need to get some help like me when you get to the back and you just can't see anything or your arm officially fell off your body. Anyway, once you're all done, you get your serum. I use the Sheet Silk Infusion, and then I just use a dime size amount and I rub that all over my hair to get some more shine. And then yeah, I just start brushing it out. And I let it sit under my silky wrap, which you can purchase also at EUnitsExtended.com. It does the job. That's all I use every time I lay my edges. Drum roll, please. Yes, this looks like it's growing from my scalp. And this is not even glued down, y'all. So I'm just fixing it to my liking, plucking it out a little bit, flattening it out because I like that pushback effect. But yeah, you just style it to however you feel is best for you. If you know me, you know I just love short hair. It's just something about short wavy, like messy, teased hair. I don't know, I just love it. As you can see, I just went in, I just took a small part and teased it to get more volume and body in the hair in the front, because I don't like that flat look. I don't like it to be too flat on my head. So sis is officially feeling it. Like, I was really feeling this look. I love it so much. Try to guess the song. Try it. I totally forgot to mention this to you guys. Yeah, I'm spraying hairspray at the end, but you also want to spray hairspray at the beginning as well, as you go section per section before you curl. You want to have hairspray on there and then curl it. That's going to lock in those curls all day, I'm telling you. But like I said before, I was only doing this for the Don't Rush challenge, so I didn't really care to have the curls last that long. So now I just go in with my pink hairspray for added shine, and that's when you know the look is complete. Oh yeah, and I also put some on my baby hairs, which just softens it up and adds shine. And also it could remove whatever like residue was there from like the free spray. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned at least one thing. And if you do decide to recreate this look, please tag me in it on Instagram. I'm about to include the Don't Rush challenge at the end. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.